Good evening, everyone. My name is Amos. I'll be taking the tutorial on how we can create our human AI avatar talking video. So, and as I have earlier sent to the group the usefulness and many other explanation on this video, I would like to go directly to the practical aspects of this video, which includes the use of some apps that we'll be using for it. So first, you have to go to your Play Store. You have something like this on your Play Store. Then you'll be using an app called Dupe. So this is the app Dupe app. Can we see it? Dupe. So click on the app. It will bring you something like this. Can you see the app icon? So I have downloaded mine and I have installed. So yours will bring install. So you install it and then open the app. We have something like this. So yours, you haven't registered yet. You can sign up here. Can you see? I already signed up. So then our main purpose here is to what? Is to create AI video. That is AI generated video. So I will click on plus this sign here. Can you see it? This sign. I will click on it. So it will bring something like this. Upload your photo, generate an AI avatar. So you have to upload your photo. Now I will take us through a simple step of how to get the kind of photo we can use. Imagine we are about to advertise our products as I'll be using my own data service, Peniki data service as an example. So we need something like a broadcasting photo to be able to advertise our product. Then we go to our Google Chrome. We search for, depending on what you are about to use. If you are going to be using a human AI avatar of a person talking, anything, but me, I would like to use a broadcasting picture for my own. So we have multiple choices that we can use, and please, any picture we are going to be choosing, let's make sure the person mouth is very clear, like this, something like this is acceptable because the person mouth is showing. Something like this, can we see is what the person mouth is showing, and like that. But I have a particular, can you see this one, this one can you see? So I would like to use this one. So I will click on it. Can you see? to load the picture and the picture graphics. You have to see the picture graphics there. You have to wait until it is fully loaded. Let's wait a little longer for the picture to load its resolution. So when the picture is loaded, I think there's something wrong with the network. So we have to what? We have to download the image. How do we download the image? We long press the image. We click on what? Download image. Can we see it here? Download image. Can we see? We have to what? Long press the image. Long press for like 2 to 3 seconds. Then what? You will have this shown on your screen. Then you have to do what? Choose download image. It will bring, do you want to download this, then click on download again. So you will see something like this pop up on your screen. See? Can you see? It's downloaded. So we can then what? We can now leave the page. So since we have our what? Our photo we are going to be using. So we go to our YouTube, we upload, we press on upload the picture, the photo. Can you see these pictures? This picture rather. This. Can you see this? Can you see this? That's what we are going to be what? We are going to be using. We are going to be what? To press on that. So click on it. We upload the picture we have downloaded. We wait for it to upload. I think there is something wrong with the network, so we try to upload it again. Can you see it's uploading already? So can we see the picture is what uploaded? As you can see now that the picture is uploaded. If your picture, your own picture, the mouth is not showing, or the picture is not clear enough, this thing with the app will reject the picture. As you can see, this picture is already what? Is already allowed. So what we have to do next is what? Is click on this next. Can we see? We click on this next. So let's do that now. So we can see now that we have add your audio. You can see with watermark, with subtitles. You don't need to touch anything here. And be what? Be very concise that the video must be less than 3 minutes in total audio length. So which means that the video you are going to be making should be less than 3 minutes. So there shouldn't be anything longer than 3 minutes. I hope we are getting it now. So we click on make talking photo rather. Make talking photo. I hope you can see it here. We can see it right here. You can see it right here. Can we see? Make talking photo. So we click on it. It asks us to add an audio. Then how do we click on add an audio. Then now this is where the generating the AI human this thing comes in. We are going to be using an AI voiceover, as you can see. this we are going to be using AI voice over. Now, what content are we going to upload here? It is the content of what you want to advertise. Like now, I would like to advertise my data business. So you can simply write up a content or go to ChatGPT or your Meta AI to generate you a content that you can use to what? That you can use to make an AI avatar generated video that will advertise your products for you. So I would like to use my ChatGPT. You have the ChatGPT app here. So I will say write me a content on how to advertise my Beniki data service, or let's say a content to advertise my Beniki data services not less than 300 words characters. So, and we should also note that everything we are going to be using must not be more than 300 characters. So we should be what? It should be very concise. So it must not be more than, actually it must not more than 300 characters. So it can be lesser, but it must not be more than 300 characters. So let's see what Meta AI can actually generate for us. So I think these are this is something good from it, but I won't like to go with this. So although I'm just using this as an example, I will like to use a content I've prepared to use. So but in your own case, you can generate your suitable content that you want to use. So I would like to check for the content that I want to use. So let's wait, guys. So I got the content I want to be using. So I want something exactly 300 characters. So we should not make how more than 300 characters. So I will copy this, edit it if I want, change some things there, and make it to my own tastes. Then I'll minimize and go back to my dupe. Then I will click on the AI voiceover that we have shown us before. So can we see? Then we now choose on start typing. I think we can see that right here. Start typing. Can you see? So we click on that start typing. Then paste our voice over. So I think they extended the characters. So can we see this 287 characters out of 500. So we can extend our own to what? To 500 characters. So but we should not let it be more than what? 500 characters. So now Here is where we can choose our what, the type of voice we want to be on our video. So we can choose the language here, the voices language that we want to use. Maybe we are using the Chinese, the what, the Dutch, the French, and the Greek, and all others. So, or we want a quality, maybe we want it to be premium, we want it to be standard, and so on. The type of gender we want, maybe we want male. So in this context, I'll be choosing male since the picture I uploaded is a male picture. So it will filter out the males only. So we might want to have the kind of age we want. So I want a youth for my own because of the person I'm using voice. I hope we are all getting all these things. So I don't think we need the scenario. So let's just stick to the ones we've gotten, and then let's wait for the network to upload.